How are you, pretty lady? Are you doing good, Miss Keisha? Yeah? Alrighty. And now we just have treats. You got that one? Alright, here you go, honey. You're killing this chicken breast, Keish. Here's another. Want some more? Nice work. Here you go, honey. She's staring at Jasmine because Jasmine's actually right next door to Keisha. Alright, so I just ran out of chicken breast. Now we're going to move on to some chicken thighs. Here you go, honey. Look at this. Sniff? Oh, yeah, right. That's pretty good. Another one? Nice. Hi, honey. Would you like another chicken? Look at this food. Miss Keisha Keish. There you go, honey. Sorry, that one's kind of getting away from you. There you go. Here you go. Alright, so I'm out of chicken thighs now. Actually, I have one more piece, but I'm going to try this piece of pork first, see how she reacts to that. Miss Keish? Sniff? Maybe? Look at this, Keish. Not a fan, okay. Alright, let's give you this last chicken thigh. Oh no, Keisha! Hey! Oh, honey, it's not what I wanted. I still have chicken drums. I still have chicken drums, Keisha, come back. She's like, you shouldn't have given me the pork. Sniff? Keisha? I don't know if you saw that, but she actually sniffed the chicken drum and then didn't want it. I'm kind of surprised, to be honest. Usually, chicken drums are her favorite. Are you going to lay back down? I'd like that. What's your plan? You going to lay down right there? Oh, there we go. I like that, Keisha. Thank you. Here you go, Miss Keish. Oh, man. Watch out. You got that? Crunch it up. I am like smushed in between a bush and the cage right here. You chose the best spot, Keish. But it's okay. Here's another chicken drum. Make sure you bite it. There you go. Trying to get these to stick on right. There we go. You got it? Take it. There you go. Can you guys hear those bones crunching? Because these have some big bones on them. Oh man, you dropped that one. Don't get mad at it. Hey, I said don't get mad at it. What are you doing? Here's another. Nice job. Don't get mad at it. Hisses. I don't know if you guys can see, but right behind Keisha is Jasmine. Not sure if you can really see her over there, but she is over there. Hoping for some treats, but I actually already did give her a little bit of treats earlier today. Here you go, honey. Would you like some more chicken? Miss Keish? You got that one? That's a big one. Oh man, we dropped it. Oh man. Are you done? I have one more chicken drum for you to try. Here you go. You get it? Oh man, I guess that's it. But you did a very good job, Keisha. You pretty much cleaned your bucket apart from those 3 chicken drums right there and a couple pieces of pork. So have a good night, okay? I'll see you later. Don't get too upset. All right, Mr. Hoover, how are you doing today? And if you see, Hoover's like under his platform and it's kind of surrounded by grass on all sides. So it's like a little cave. So I'm sure it's a lot cooler there than it is out here at least. But I do have quite a bit of food for you, bud, if you'd like to eat it. I'm hoping you would. Here you go, Mr. Hoover. Can you just tilt that face a little bit? I know it's really hot, my man. But you gotta have some treats. Here you go, bud. Just tilt that face. There we go, bud. Yeah, this chicken's nice and cool. Probably tastes good. Alright, so that's the most important piece. His meds are down. And now it's just treats. Here you go, Hoover. Nice work, bud. Here's another chicken. Open wide. Nice job, Hoover. This is great. Hoover is killing it right now. Alright, bud, here comes another chicken. Flying in. Here you go, bud. Nice job. Alright, Mr. Hoover, this is a big chunk of chicken right here, my man. I really want you to eat this one. Here you go, bud. Tilt that face. Tilt that face. Oh, man. We're kind of eating this a little bit weird. I hope we're going to have some success, though. Oh, man, don't drop it, bud. Oh, yes. Nice work, Hoover. I like it, dude. I like it a lot. And here comes some more. Nice. Here you go, bud. Right for you. Tilt your face. Tilt that head. There you go. Not even sure if you guys are going to be able to see him. I'm hoping you can. Here you go, Hoover. Nice chicken. Hoover. Hoovy hoov. Tilt the face. Oh, you're kind of biting the stick. Oh, there you go. Here you go, Hoover. Nice. And Hoover's just got a whole bucket of pretty much some chicken breast and then some chicken thighs. Because like I've said probably lots of other times in previous videos, Hoover is a chicken fan. He loves his chicken. Especially chicken thighs. I would say thighs are probably his all-time favorite. Hoovy hoov. Tilt that face. Come here, bud. Sniff? Yeah, there you go. Good stuff right there. Oh, okay, you're kind of just licking it. What are you doing? There you go. Nice job. Here you go, Hoover. Come here, bud. Nice. Hoovy hoov. And I only have a handful more, or a couple more pieces. And then we're going to be at a clean bucket. There was an ant just biting my neck. Classic, right? I had to take my glove off to do that, and now I've got chicken hands. All right. Here you go, Hoov. Here you go, bud. Hoovy. Are we done? Oh no, you want it. There you go. Close your mouth. Nice work. Got 2 more pieces. including this one right here. Here you go, bud. Want me to put it in your mouth? Are you done? Yeah? Alright, I think... Oh, no. Nice work. Oh. And the last piece, I didn't realize it was a super tiny one. I'm sure he's not even going to want this. But maybe. But maybe he will want it. Here you go, bud. Tiny piece of chicken. Not a fan? He's like, that's too small for me. But alright, Hoover. I'll see you later, dude. So Miss Amanda over here was begging as I was just leaving Hoover, and since she's the neighbor, I'll give her a treat. Here you go, Amanda. There's one. Alright, last one. You got it? Nice job, honey. Alright, see ya. Totally thought she was gonna roar at me there.